Biafra is a spirit. Biafra is an ideology that no one can kill. God sent the leader of IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, to resurrect our nation, Biafra. Long live Biafra. Freedom Biafra. God bless Biafra. From Sivachi. Biafra cannot die. It's a time for freedom, time for victory. True Kadama in freedom. Biafra must stand. It's a time for freedom, time for victory. True Kadama in freedom. I give you Mary. Biafra, I give you Mary. I give you Mary. God bless Biafra. I give you Biafra. I give you Mary. I give you Mary. God bless Biafra. They took a use of what we own, and I don't know what we know. They might it so badly to suffer. Oh no, oh no. Speak less to live, speak hard to die. Children that use weeping. Parents lamenting, the raping and the shooting, the massacre and the killing. Destroying our farmlands and give us what not gets. To other people, enough is enough. We can't take this no more. Biafra cannot die. It's a time for freedom, time for victory. True Kadama in freedom. Biafra must stand. It's a time for freedom, time for victory. True Kadama in freedom. I give you Mary. Biafra, I give you Mary. I give you Mary. God bless Biafra. I give you Mary. Biafra, I give you Mary. I give you Mary. God bless Biafra. It is time for the chosen people to find a nation. It is time for the chosen people to rewrite their history. It is time for the people that have been enslaved to rediscover their liberty. Dear brothers and sisters, the time for God to build our nation have come. Biafra nation, blessed nation. For a long time we have accepted domination. For a long time we have been strong. For a long time we have been ignored. The time that God has chosen for us has come. Biafra nation, God bless Biafra. Anyhow we will exalt our nation. That nation Biafra. This slave who does not fight for his freedom. It's not what they have been supported. Free, free, freedom. Free, free, freedom. Let's struggle for our liberty, not with weapons of war, but with a common language and a conviction. The Catalonia speeches, Bomba Kalashnikov cannot do anything to a people that have received the same cause, a people that have tasted for freedom. People of Biafra together for victory. Only the struggle liberates.
I didn't know that you were getting one I didn't know. I didn't say, I have to go back when we have a night. I didn't put you on line.
Because millions of Biafran men, women, and children massacred in Coldwell and are still being massacred. That is why we must continue to fight for them. But the message we're sending across is that you can kill the flesh, but not the spirit. The spirit of Biafra is alive.
Biafra cannot die. It's a time for freedom, time for victory. True Kadama in freedom. Biafra must stand. It's a time for freedom, time for victory. True Kadama in freedom. I give you Mary. Biafra, I give you Mary. I give you Mary. God bless Biafra. I give you Mary. Biafra, I give you Mary. I give you God bless Biafra.
Yes, sir. Once again, fellow Biafrans, lovers of freedom, men and women of goodwill, conscious people, wherever you are all over the world, sincere, genuine IPOB member, I say good evening, good morning, good afternoon, and to some of you, good night, depending on your time zone. This is Radio Biafra Extra for the avoidance of doubt. Sincere apology coming up a bit late today. You know, the enemies are always there anyway. One or two issues, technical challenges, but of course, we can only get better. We're not negotiating it. It's not an issue to discuss. We can only get better. For we know on this platform, we wrestle not just with flesh and blood, principality and power. We wrestle even Facebook. We wrestle with Yoruba and Hausa Fulani. We're wrestling with Saboteur. Who are we not wrestling with? But of course, in the end, we will win. It's a promise. Radio Biafra is streaming live to Radio Biafra London, being anchored by the Deputy Leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Mazi Uche Okafor-Mensah. He is from Abatete. Abatete is in Anambra, and Anambra State is Biafra land. He's the man who simply has said to us, he will not allow the heart of this project to see corruption. Not everybody will appreciate that truth, but one day you will understand the truth you've not been told. Because a day we will tell the story how we overcome. It's almost on our, it's done, it is dawning on us already, you know. Mazi Uche Okafor-Mensah is standing on a deputizing capacity on behalf of our Supreme Leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the Prince of Afari Ibeku, heir to the throne of Ibeku Kingdom. Ibeku is in Umuahia. Umuahia is in Abia State. And Abia State certainly is Biafra land. I remain George Onyibe. I am from Abo, reaching you live and direct with every degree of certainty across the globe. From Urugudu. And I serve the indigenous people of Biafra as the African rep, at least today. What exactly are we to do? We do all we can, whenever and however. We acknowledge the Almighty Creator, Chukwukika Abiyama, the one who sits in heaven and presides over the affair of man. For he alone knows the reason why we are here. He's the one who have ordained this very moment. We don't want to conquer anybody. We don't want to take that which belongs to anybody. We just simply say, let us be. Without wasting much of our time, we will go ahead to our topic this evening, which is simply continuation of last week. Yesterday topic, show of force. Our team remain back to your root. Yesterday we look at show of force. Fulani are coming to show us power. No, Fulani are showing us power. That is what they mean. But of course, we will move from show of force to the current one ongoing in Biafra land. They call it Operation Python Dance. Egweke. Operation Egweke. But the truth remains that when Python come to dance in our forest, you should understand that there are Python that owns that forest. Here. Man and the Kano Mauchi Mefo, man the IPOB, oh, and you are waking war here. So where you are dancing your Python dance, may God help you. Our topic is simple this evening. What is the purpose of Python dance? What is the purpose of Python dance? What is the essence of Python dance? They told you lie and they said to you that the purpose of Python dance is to, enhance on the agility of Nigerian army. Where are they going to do with agility? What is Nigerian terrorists going to do with agility? That was what Brutai told you when the house of our leader was invaded. That according to their routine, the Nigerian army have been roasted, been whiling away because there is nothing to do when they are supposed to make Nigerian army to be doing farm. Now they have to go and jog on the road. Can't they jog in the barrack? More than 15% of all the land in Nigeria is barrack. More than 70% of land in Biafra land is barrack. Is it not enough for them to jog? But they deceive you and say, oh, it's a show of force. They want to do agility. I pity all of you who allow them to deceive you. But let's look at it in a very short term. What is the purpose of Python dance? Be sincere to yourself with your experience and encounter as a Nigerian, Oduduwa, Arewa, as a Biafran. Be sincere What can you tell us about Python Dance? What is the essence? What is the purpose? And let me tell you, anything you do in life without first of all defining the purpose, the reason behind you being there, you're going to be very miserable. That is why many people, they fall. The Bible says a farmer went on to plant his seed. As he was going, some fell on the way. Some fell on the rock. Some fell on the thorny soil. And some fell on the fertile soil. But let me tell you in other words, those who know where they are going to, those who have defined their purpose before coming out, they are the only one who get to their destination. A lot of people are in IPOB because I'm from Afari Beku. I know how to get to our leader. Then you are going to sabotage George, you will blackmail George. If you want to make life miserable in your life, come out in the open and lie against me. When I'm done with you, you will wish you are in the hand of Fulani herdsmen, criminals everywhere. You can go behind and gossip. Come to my front. When I'm done with you, you define your purpose. Why are you here? Are we here to do business, buying and selling? Are we here to blackmail one another? Are we here to do it cheap? Or do Oshobe? Hey, Oshobe. Is that why we are here? But when you fail to define these things, that is why they overrun you. Today, many of you are not taking time to find out what is the essence of Operation Python Dance, and then you are letting them deceive you with all the handwriting on the wall. Mene, take care of fast send. Some of you are still asking questions. That is our topic this evening, but we must continue. Now, the purpose of Python Dance, for your information, number one, is to intimidate us. As the name suggests, show of force. They want to show us that, yes, they have power. They have armored car. They have jet bomber. They have military hardware. That is what they want to tell us. They are like, when I want fight war, when I want fight war, we go kill you again. That is number one, to intimidate us. And so they are everywhere. You see them now, they will wear camouflage, pack grass and tie on their body. They'll be jumping and raping women. They are on rampage everywhere in Biafra land. Operation Python Dance. To intimidate us. Is it not obvious? No, is it not obvious? You registered your vehicle legally. You obtain hiking permit. You have roadworthiness. You have your driver's license. You meet with the demand of the road safety. What do they call them? Is it CIO or VIO? Even the demand of the National Union of Road Transport Workers. You meet all their demand, but yet you look while you meet one lunatic because he's on kake. You give them money. You give them your paper. The next thing they tell you, will take time. You think we are joking here? Oh God, what is the problem? Now you ask for my particular. I gave you my particular. You say, see, don't provoke me. Don't provoke me. And I tell you, if God did not go out with you, they will shoot you. And they say it's unknown soldier. Now who kill him? Unknown soldier. You are dead, you are dead. Then tomorrow, once police say, oh, how are you? You give the police 1,000. Because that is what they are there to intimidate us. Are you not seeing it everywhere? But Nyangodu have a different purpose why they are here. To oppress his people. So Nyangodu and Southeast governors, they brought in Operation Python Dance. So we are looking at the purpose, the reason why we have Python Dance in Biafra land. Number one is to intimidate us. You can see it spelled out everywhere. Number two is to get acquainted with our terrain. Those of you who know how the Civil War went, I was not born there. But I know that Nigeria never fought a war. They ended up in Abagana. And every soldier who fought in Abagana, every soldier who stood in Abagana, I'm talking about the Abagana settle. I'm talking about the boys' camp. I'm talking about those women, those men, those children, who went out there and defend Biafra land. I'm talking about all of you. You did us proud. You did us proud. And for that, I will give you just a moment of honor. I'll be back in a minute.
Oh, hail dear friends, the land of rising sun. Oh, hey, dear friend, the land of rising sun. This is our own flag, the sign of unity. This is our nation, the mother of freedom. Welcome to my home. This is my motherland. In the world we sing, all hail great Biafra. In the world we sing, freedom flag you've got it. In Biafrans we sing, the hand of God is with us. In Biafrans we sing, the battle has been won. Celebration, voice of freedom, victory is in. Celebration.
Yes, that was for those brave Biafrans who defended our land, giving us the reason to be alive today. They didn't kill us. They could not access Biafra land. Of course, they bombarded Enugu. They bombarded Ochanja Market in Anambra State. They bombarded from Control down to Umuapo in Rivers State. They bombarded Cross River State, destroying everything completely. They were there in Ahaba in Delta State and unleashed their mayhem. But in all of this, Biafra land stood until the saboteurs came, revealed the center of gravity to the enemies. And as such, Biafra was weakened. And so today, if the generation of 1967 and 1970 of Biafrans are able to stand their ground for 3 years, majority of the world being against them, they could only imagine what will happen today. And so, the second purpose of Operation Python Dance is to get used to our terrain. They are following everywhere. So in case you don't know, now you know. Number 3 reason why you have Operation Python Dance in Biafra land is to aid and abate the Fulanis, the Boko Haram, Miati Allah. That is why they are here. Look at the shoemaker, Fulani shoemaker, Fulani Tramadol, Kwande Moroba, Kwande Mohalimelo. Look at all of them. They are gallivanting everywhere. They are parabolating everywhere in Biafra land. They are studying every nook and cranny of Biafra land. Some of them are living inside the interior bush already. They are using a helicopter to take care of them. And these are to aid them. A woman was killed in Enugu today. You cannot stop them because Nigerian army and the guys of show of force, they know what they are doing. So when you hear Operation Python Dance, is to help the Fulani herdsmen, Miati Allah and Boko Haram, to kill the one they can kill. As I was saying, oh, it's Operation Python Dance, they want to manage this, they want to do that. They don't let them deceive you. You cannot be that ignorant, you cannot be that naive. Number 4, purpose of Operation Python Dance. They are standing army waiting for eventuality. You know, they say, if they want to fight war, we will give them war. They are buying ammunition, they are piling it up, but they don't know how it's going to come. They don't know. So they are standing for eventuality. When time came, they employed them as a gun, keep Mazen and the Kano. Now you know. Number 5, they are here to create communal crisis. I took time listening to the Zoo Radio today. And I hear people say, oh, Ogoni also Bibo. Ogoni people also Bibo. Bibo people are strangers. They come to settle. They now take over Ogoni land. We are going to kill Bibo people. These are criminal. Why did I say they are criminal? Is it because Ogoni is a criminal? We know the Ogoni people that are criminal. All of them will answer their question. So when you say, oh, we are Niger Delta, we are Delta Niger. I'm a Niger Delta man. Oh, Adia Mama. Don't make any mistake about that, man. Nobody is going anywhere. Nobody. You're not going anywhere. But what are we saying in effect? As I'm talking to you now, Ogoni are killing Obibo people. And Yoruba people are trying to analyze the situation. But we know what Python Dance does. They are season 3 in Biafra land as we speak. They are there to create communal crisis. Go to Cross River State, between the boundary and Cross River State and Ebonyi State. They are there killing themselves. They try to initiate the same crisis between Abia State and Akwa Ibom. Don't deceive yourself. You know the truth. I was discussing with one of my Deltarian today. And the person say, why is that people always saying we are Niger Delta, we are Niger Delta? And I told the sister, I say, honestly, I don't blame them. If the whole black people across the world can allow themselves to be fooled, you will see we are wise. We have blacks in Australia, we have blacks in India, we have blacks in everywhere across the world. You have blacks. But every black across the world add African to their name. Oh, I'm African American, I am Indian African, I am African India, I am African American, I am Africa Africa, I am Africa Australia, I am Africa China, I am Africa Dubai. You are African, you are Africa Africa. I say, but our name is not Africa until the Roman legionnaire conquered Tunisia, took over the continent of Africa, and named this continent after his father's name. Today, you are Africa. What was your father's name? What was the name of this continent before a Roman terrorist conquered Africa, as they say? Let's not go there anyway. And I told my sister, I say, if I am saying I'm Niger Delta out of stupidity, don't blame me. If the whole black all over the world will agree to answer, oh, God know who the hell that man is. They beat here, we Africa. Who told you we Africa? Let me not digress anyway. So anytime you are very proud, we are Africa. That is why you are a chimpanzee. Some hopeless animal came in a peaceful community, conquered everybody, carried his father's name, and give it to us. That's a lot of people. Their name is Chidema Nwankwo. Shame will not allow them to answer their name. After all, am I not George? Hey, what is your name? I'm George. George. What is the meaning of George? Does George have a meaning in Abo? The George I bear it means the tiller of soil. In other words, if it's in Abo, Nwosungbo or Sungbo, and anybody from Abo know that if you call somebody Osungbo in a time like this, it's like an insult. But it's a very proud name, and George. Yoshi. Let me not digress any further anyway. They are here to create communal crisis. And I told you that, I said, look, the reason why they've not been able to destroy Niger Delta completely is because in between every tribe and dialect, you have Igbo in the midst of them. Igbo that are not Igbo. I said, that is why. They don't know how to actually do the divide and rule. They were successful, able to divide Midwest out completely. Because you come to Bender State, pole to pole is different language. I tell people, Abo, Eka language alone, we have 474 different dialects of Eka. That is why the moment you say you're Abo man, they ask you which side of Abo. So they were able to cover us out of the ancient Biafran Empire. Then they took away Benue, they took away Igala. Then they now circled some people in Southeast. And they think they are the Igbo. And then the other chimpanzee, monkey, and babu, they now say, you are Niger Delta. Hey, we are Niger Delta, we are Niger Delta. I said, we should appreciate God. The Igbos of the Southeast are united today because they don't know where to put cutlass. They were able to develop a defense mechanism that enable them to congregate around themselves as one, which is the central Igbo. Because in the end, Ngwama has his own Igbo, Mberema have his own Igbo, Mbosema have his own Igbo, Nzama have his own Igbo. But they have one Igbo that brings them together, just like the Yoruba. The Yoruba have different Yoruba, they don't understand this, but they have the Ijebu, the Lagos Yoruba that brings them together. So they don't know how to divide the Igbo any longer. So they say, let's oppress them. But our own, they are still working on it. How do they do it? Operation Python Dance. Forget about the name they bear today, the name Metamorphose. Tomorrow they will change this Operation Python Dance. They may change it to Operation Holy Mary. So you think they are there for your good, because you cannot reason and you will oblige to their fraudulent mindset. So I just want you to know, what is the purpose of communal crisis? They are killing Ogoni people now. Go and find out who is killing Ogoni people. Police are there, army are there. You will know the role they are playing here. They are the cultists, they are the Boko Haram, they are everything. As I'm talking to you now, there is one army man on my platform. His name is Legendary Vara. He's an army man. He's there to yap. Very hopeless. Those of you on my Facebook social media, give that hopeless Legendary Virus Fulani man, give him disease. He's a Yoruba. Go and re-edit your name, change it to Igbo name, so we say Igbo people are bad, madman. You are Legendary Vara. Biafra your nyash. Thunder will fire your mother and your father. Your madness worry you finish. You can't come for my side. Those of you on Facebook, that hopeless animal, that Yoruba chameleon, answering Legendary Vara. Do I blame you? Legendary Vara, Unyushi. You don't brush your teeth. Abuki like you. Yoruba 10%. All those things you people think you know. You don't know. You are learning work. When we are done with all of you, you will wish you never confront us. That is what they are here to do. Create communal crisis. That is what Yoruba does. And there are some hopeless Biafrans who don't see what is coming and they are joining them. Some of you think they are there to protect you. They are there to cause communal crisis. When I came to River State then, that should be in 2000, should be 2008 or thereabout. Obibo, Oyibo was called Obibo. All the league government changed it to Oyibo. And I know I was in a debate with people from that community. And I said to them, how can you change your name Obibo to Oyibo? I argue blindly and bitterly with them. You are denying your Igbo identity. And an elderly man there called me and said, my son, what you are saying is correct, but you are wrong. Whether you say Obibo or Oyibo, all of them are Igbo name. Because Obibo is Obibo. But our true name, if truth be told, is Oyibo. Because when the terrorists came in from the coastal region, they entered upland. And while they were entering community, they were asking people, what is your name? You people. And when they got to Obibo or Oyibo, they now say, these people, Oyibo, Obibo. Then Ndoke man, Obibo people supposedly are descendants of Ndoke and Asa. And they came forward and say, yes, Oyibo. It's like Oyibo say, Oyibo. They now say, yes, Oyibo. They now wrote it, Oyibo. But later when the real people wanted to reclaim their identity, they put Obibo. But the people who know the history said, no, it's not Obibo, Oyibo. Because when Obibo man want to tell you, I'm Igbo man, he say, yes, Oyibo. But let's not go there anyway. So, but today now, the Nigerian army are there causing crisis, creating cultism everywhere. You are saying they are Python dance. What are they Pythoning dance? Smoke Igbo from 4 a.m. in the morning to 12 in the afternoon. Then they enter the road and begin to steal gala and pure water. Then in the night now, they are raping women everywhere. Pregnant women, mad women. They join raping everywhere. You are telling me they are Nigerian army. Shame on all of you. We must therefore monitor the activities. At least tonight, we've been able to look at 5 purposes of Python dance in Biafra land. Are we fighting? Because they know we are peaceful people. They are now the one creating a crisis. There are certain things they say, oh, don't say it, don't say it. Let's be polite, let's be mature, let's be, animals. Just listening to Nyanwodo, it will amuse you. You begin to wonder, are they still human beings? It will amaze you. Nyanwodo told Fulani, I will not let them kill any Fulani. I will die for Fulani. Of course, they will all die for Fulani. Just listen to them. With
assurances from my governors, our traditional rulers, and our leaders that in the same way as the Sultan spoke, any Igbo man who touches a northerner in Igbo land should first kill John Nyanwodo.
But of course, in the right time, we will respond to them. But on Nyanwodo, they just raped your pregnant sister. Fulani just raped your pregnant sister, murdered her. Are you sure we will not kill you for that? They are mad people. They're clapping for you out of your stupidity. Hey, any Igbo man who want to kill Fulani, he must kill me first. You are not normal. How which the Fulanis can say the same? But they see you as a conqueror. You are conquered already anyway. Biafrans whose head are still intact, monitor these people. You see this thing they are doing? Go tell them they need registration ya part makasa. Ugbebula bobo so you know agree okay. Unu ro na nya ngwere ko jelu anwo. Ndi wu anyi sinu yebu akpato no nweze. Uyebu akpato no nweze. Ehwo azo nwo kokko hwo ari onwo. You must monitor them. Of course, our line will be open temporarily, and when you call in, tell us what they are pythoning dancing in your community, in your area. We want to know what they are pythoning and what they are dancing in. Everywhere, anywhere you see them, you have to tell us. Because in the end, Biafra is our only hope. I'll be back in a minute.
Biafra is our only home. It is our only home. From the rising of the sun to the going of the same, we must fight till the end to restore our motherland. Oh, Biafra is our only home. Is our only hope, Biafra. We must always strive to do what we ought to do to restore Biafra back, hope of our children. Oh, Biafra is our only home. Is our only hope, Biafra. From the rising of the sun to the going of the same, we must fight till the end to restore our motherland. Oh, Biafra is our only home. Is our only hope, Biafra.
Yes, at this moment, our lines are open. Our WhatsApp line is 070-815-45642. Our WhatsApp line, once again, is 070-815-45642. Our direct line is 081-221-52971. Our direct line, 221-52971. And special number for the female is 081-288-58614. The lines are open. Situation report regarding Ruga in your area. Tell us how they Rugalize in your area. Are they coming to your area to take Igbo? What exactly are they coming to do? Tell us. Are you there, caller on the line?
Hello?
Yes, good evening. The problem you have is that you are listening to your radio. And once you call me, I observe you are listening to your radio, I will cut you off. If you are not mature enough to coordinate yourself, after how many years you have been listening to Radio Biafra, then don't call here. Are you there, caller on the line?
Yes, good evening, Magdoni.
Good evening. That is how it's supposed to be. Go ahead, please.
My name is Shikeria. My dear, they are coming to dance because our leaders invited them to dance. They want them to kill all of us so that them and their children with the Fulanis will inherit our land. Look at Ekwere Madu. Upon all what he did, when he came back, instead of him to at least realize, he became insensitive and said that the people are drugs and alcoholism that is doing to them. Instead of him to appreciate what he is, the wrong he has done, he started saying nonsense. So when the Fulani, when they had it, they know that our house is empty. Our leaders are full. They don't have conscience. They have the heart of a beast. So they are the ones that are inviting them to come and kill us, because all of them they are evil. They are after their children, their families, and my alliance is not even our leader.
Of course, we lost that caller, but we must continue. When you call, your lines are peak. Please ignore your radio. Your voice is fine. As far as you are a Biafran, you have fine voice. Stop listening to your voice. Focus on your phone. I'm not a patient man anyway, but I'm a patient man. I just cut you off. Are you there, caller on WhatsApp?
Yes, Mazoni, I'm here.
Go ahead, please.
Yeah, good evening, Biafran. Good evening, Mazoni. Good evening, Mohamadike. Good evening, Uchem. For all Biafrans worldwide, I greet all of us. Please let us follow instructions and obey the rules and regulations of Biafra. This is Mazimo Yekinedumagane calling from Italy. It happens that I'm working as a coordinator of IPOB here in Como, Italy. Please, Mazonibe, we owe nobody any apology on what we are doing, on what we are saying, because the world, there is people saying that they own the world, but now the world, they cannot control the world anymore. It's not our fault that we are saying that we want to go. Amalgamation has expired, and this time Biafra stand up and say that we want to go, because we are not in the same value system with our Fulani and Yoruba. That is what all of us must bear in mind, that we are not in the same value system with our Fulani and Yoruba, even British. You know, this is the time we must take back what belongs to us, to take care of our responsibilities, our disabled and our mama and our papa and our young children and unborn children. This is the time. We also don't want any apology. And Warrant Chief must bear it in mind that they occupy somebody's position and we are coming for them. Let them bear it in mind. And Mazonibe, you see the foolishness. Our people are dying. They are conquering our land. They don't know that what they are doing is what they do olden days. That is what they want to do now. You see now, they now push Fulani men in our farm and they occupy our farm. I hope I'm coming out clear, Mazoni.
Go ahead, please, except you want me to be interrupting you.
Good. You see what they are doing now? They now occupy our farms with the Fulani men, and so many of our people now is afraid to go to farm. That one, they have already blocked that one. So blockade is already from there. You take a look, you see that border ways, some borders that we used to go out and come in, our people, they block everywhere now, you see? So they want to starve us again. And the Kwelemat don't know this. Ekwelemadu is going to Japan.
The people who are making it as if our people simply went to Germany and asked Ekwelemadu simple question: where were you when they are killing our people? So they beat a honorable senator. But somebody from honorable senator now, they raped her pregnant woman to death. They raped the pregnant woman, murdered her. Where is a Senator Ekwelemadu? Come and issue press statement. Yoruba hopeless animals. Come and issue press statement. The dead body is there for you people to chop. Ndioshi. Go ahead, please. Let them come and eat yam now. Yam chopping is almost a spiral. Ndioshi.
You know, somebody will be only somebody in my community here in Italy. If somebody beat the wife now, alarm will blow. Talk more of kill somebody. You will see alarm. You know, but see our own. Our people are dying every day by day. And Ekwelemadu and all the rest, they are going to ask him, Ayagana Wakwande Sene Jenejana Ayagana Kawa Utuba Anajita, Ozonibe, Anagate, Utugabaha, Ayagana Gabaha, and Danagate Hachani. Okay, for more Punaji Biafra, Sinanyama Mulo wine. Ask him, Ayagana Baha, you don't see the Hane, Haluana, Middle Meeting, Nambo, Fesi. Come on, hire Bulu Mama. Ask him, Naganaga, Wahana. Wazonibe, Obindiche at POBC, you go ahead. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Whatever you want to do, we are with you. Go ahead.
Thank you.
All hell Biafra. Almost hell
Biafra. They have no choice. They will in the end. They think we are in a hurry. Oh, let's ginger them. Let's swagger them. You they ginger us. You want swagger us. You will wish we are in a hurry. But don't worry. Systematically, meticulously, we will engage all of you. You can yap while you have the time, but don't worry, it's a matter of time. Are you there, caller on the line?
Yes, I'm there. My honorable lecturer, Mazi George.
Go ahead, please.
Armeo Mazi Chima Joseph, from Tobola for Unity local government and Sukasari, the Karma, and the Biafra land. Yeah, today being the 22nd of 22nd August 2019, it is a very big. I don't even know how I used to say it. The so-called Hausa Fulani, they have done another heavy one. Like yesterday.
Of course, Zoo Epileptic Network, they do what they can while they have the time. Are you there, caller on the line? Caller on the line, are you there? Caller on WhatsApp, are you there?
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Go ahead, please. Good evening from here.
We don't understand what is good with Nyawodo. You see what Nyawodo just said with Hausa people, that he support the Hausa more than the Biafran people. So my own suggestion, you know, I feel that maybe, I don't know if Mazi can just, you know, even in Europe here, we can come back to Africa to fight this fight.
No. It's not yet time. When the time comes, they will know. Don't worry.
Okay, but I don't know if it's when they will kill all our people finish in Africa. It's when we fight it. I don't know. This is making me angry.
Don't be angry. As I am talking to you now, I have married 1,000 wives. 1,000 wives. And I need 1,000 girlfriends. All of them must born tutu for me. Because this is not time to deceive anybody. So all those hopeless people who are there yapping, they should know George Onibe have 1,000 wives, 1,000 girlfriends. All of them must have 2 children for me. Because we will born children that will fight this war. Don't worry, they can't finish our population because we are improvising. Mad people. I pity Nyanwodo.
this is getting too much. Okay, and now they are complaining about it to Koremadu. That they give only warning, common one in Germany, and now they rape woman and kill her at the same time in Enugu. I never seen Nyanwo talk. I never see Koremadu talk. All those useless people make noise and blabbing and yapping. None of them make utter a word or make a statement. You know, this is getting too much. I don't know. Well, I don't know. Okay.
Thank you very
no
much.
Problem.
We must continue.
Our leader, we are still waiting for
Don't worry, it's a matter of time. Thank you very much. Are you there, caller on the line?
Good evening.
Good evening. Go ahead, please.
My name is Godwin Osang. I want to give you an information about what the Nigerian government is saying.
Go ahead, please. Go ahead.
Concerning what happened to Ekweremadu.
Yes, what are they saying? Ekweremadu.
Yes, the Nigerian government said that they would be giving anybody that will be traveling to abroad a security.
That is now they come. That is a welcome development. So the world can see the face of all those terrorists who are terrorizing us. That is welcome development. So we can have the opportunity. That means I have to go to diaspora very soon. So I can slap all of them very well and take them to court. Hopeless people. It's a welcome development. We should be rejoicing about that. Go ahead, please.
That's what the zoo governor, the president was saying this afternoon. So they will give them security. When they come, they will give them security that will protect them here. So what I think our people should not mind whatever security or whatever, because I believe we are stronger than them.
Thank you very much.
I believe our Biafra, we are stronger. I am a member of a Lion Squad. So what we announced that anything they want, we will give to them. So I'm happy. I'm so happy about what is happening in our land now. They do whatever they want to do. We are waiting for them. Let them come and do whatever they want to do. And I want to use this opportunity to speak to my people in our language.
Go ahead, please.
Biko Nontobo, Mayuna Yoko no lofta. No lofta be to IPOB. Oh, Beke, I know, I came a million here then. I can use Ubaganaga. Unobla Mohenia, Unobla Timbanya. Be to IPOB. I will be a power. I will be a power without another guy. Mayuna, you're Nontobo. No, this country called zoo. This country called Nigeria being zoo. I know what I mean. You make a zoo too much. No one started to write. I drop Biafra with a Biafra. Ma you know you're not trouble. Bikoro. Ma you know here. No Biko. No oh mabu ngakano. Wakandru sang. Oh mabu wakandru sang. No Bia. No one started Nigeria. Just to write. I drop Biafra. Ma you know here. Biko. I put the Biafra.
Thank you very much. We must continue. Are you there, caller on the line? Caller on the female line. Good evening from here. Go ahead, please.
Hello, I'm telling you no. Operator, Python dance Hajara Woka Python or Bushinani, so that Haji Wiki with our line. Niawo do Kuroku see the 5 days going full and the of Goya. Ezoku Okuya and you will lay our money behind the GMA. Now with the right thing. Only all I need Hajara Diapha. Momoha, Unutuaha. Even all the way to get them. They are had a lady Laha. Ezoku Nimeha, and when you took what at Biafra, they are no longer telling the truth. All they are after is what they will gain, what they will get to make their own family, to make themselves what they want to be, not minding the people that they are to take care of. They are to look after. What they are after is what will I get? What will be my gain? How am I going to get my family over there? This is just the beginning. What our people, IPOD people did to Ekweremadu, I said it's a preamble. What we are saying is their children in diaspora, they should be hunted for. We should hunt them where they are studying, because somebody who cannot eat here when he is given any position, the children will all travel to overseas. And their brothers and sisters are here dying of hunger. Look at OPC person that say that I'm going to build Aja for Ajans. Not even a single road. He mounted what do I call it at Usisioma. Nobody can pass there. Maybe they will be using ladder to climb on top of that pedestrian bridge. I support what my people did to Ekweremadu. That is just the beginning. So we are going to hunt them. Now, that say he is going, let him go. Since he is the head of all the people in Biafra land, let him travel abroad. If the people abroad will see him there, they should not even break egg on him. They should kill him. Let what will happen. Let us start it. If we don't start it from them, we cannot get what we are looking for, because the Sabotua are greater than the Fulanis that are fighting us now. They are our problem. They are our problem. So we are going to start from them. When it starts over there, then we will see where they will run to. May Chukwuokike Adiama bless you. Bless Uche for our deputy. And my supreme leader, my Lord, who has told me, the only man that has told me the truth in this world. My mother and my father didn't even give me the truth that Nnamdi has taught me. I say he will live long. He will live to take us and raise the flag of Biafra in the name of Chukwuokike Adiama.
You see, our people must remain focused. When you hear Operation Python dance, do not allow them to deceive you. We know their target. We know their aim. You now know their purpose. We must stand our ground. We must face them from the beginning to the end. We will not give them any breathing space. But let it be on record that we simply want to go home. We want to live free as air, as you have always been. I'll be back in a minute. So Biafrans, remain focused and get ready. Operation Python dance, chimpanzee dance. It has nothing to do with
Biafran's Got Talent exclusive.
Oh la 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 la, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Uche Mefo, Asimu Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu, Asimu Uche Mefo.
Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Ohamadike, Odogwa na Barizuwan, na Biafra land. Mazi Uche Mefo, Dishike Nijikwofo, Ojo Fogana,
Uche Mefo, Oko Biama, Olumekelegi, BG Tekelegi, Biafran's Got Talent Tekelegi, Isuru Keme, everywhere Putara Owegi, Nonyere Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
Uche Mefo.
Yes, sir, we must continue. Call on WhatsApp, are you there? Call on WhatsApp.
Yes, I am here.
Thank you for holding on.
Yes,
go ahead,
I am
please.
here, my rep. My rep, good morning from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. My name still remains Ezekwem Uchechi. I'm from Amuro in Okigwe province, Biafra land. My rep it has not been easy for you because once it is 7 p.m. Biafra land time, we already know the time you need to come and educate us. We already know the time you need to come and spread the gospel of Chukwuokike Adiama. and the whole Biafrans are very happy, always waiting for you online. And today you seem very, very different because I noticed and I'm aware that you are battling with the Zoo network. But whatever thing they are doing,
my
we
brother,
are going
we
home.
can
They
only
cannot
get
stop us
better.
as you always tell
We
us.
can only get better. There is no ground to negotiate. We can only get better. Anything they do, we can only get better. This is one truth they should not toy with.
My goodness. So my rep actually, I didn't intend to call today, but I'm just touched from the clip you just played, in as much as I have watched that clip before. But it's very, very obvious that what is happening to us are from those we call our elected elite or our so-called elite. Somebody like somebody like Niawodo. Niawodo to always come out in open to disgrace himself. It is 100% obvious that Niawodo is the main real terrorist we have in the land. Niawodo have said it in Lagos that we continue to live and sabotage the struggle. And this man live up to his words and keep on sabotaging the struggle. Niawodo have a meeting with the northern leaders. Niawodo said that before you can kill an Hausa man, that you first of all kill him himself, Niawodo. That he stand with the North, that he stand with the unity of the Zoo that is seeing that it's melting, the Zoo that is seeing that no country on the surface of the earth that water associated with the Zoo. Niawodo keep on disgracing himself. But there's no problem. Niawodo, we will handle Niawodo town anywhere he runs to his generation. Niawodo must pay dearly for all this comment, all this nonsense they have been doing in Biafra land. Niawodo must pay. He must pay. He is the real terrorist we have. Do you know my rep? I came across online that they held a kidnapper, a Fulani terrorist kidnapper in Katsina. This young man or this man confessed that the people supplying them weapons to terrorize and to maim people are the soldiers. Just like the one they created Proton Pantan that's right now, trying to wipe us out, trying to make us to be scared so that we will not seek for our right, we will not agitate our freedom. But at the end, Biafrans, this war they are singing, this war, this drum of war they are beating all the time, we shall lead them. We are watching for them all over there. We are in diaspora, and we have men on the ground. They just want to test all of us outside so that our land will be conquered by the Fulani terrorists, so that we will not have anybody that will speak to us. But we are waiting for them anywhere they run to. We are fans, we are there. Niawodo is the main terrorist we have, even more than the southeastern governors. Niawodo must pay dearly. The day of reckoning is coming, and that day of reckoning is now. If we wait for them after 2 months, 3 months, we did not see them traveling to overseas again. They will leave the band for we to begin to take their children out, take their relatives out. We shall totally hunt them down wherever they are. They are keep on suppressing their fans. They are keep on putting on into this perpetual slavery. It shall never be well within Niawodo and the coast. Thank you, my rep, and continue. Whether they do like it or not, we must fight them. We must get our freedom. That's the only thing we are looking for. Biafra or death, Biafra or nothing. That's only one agenda we have. Thank you very much.
Don Prince Victor, one mother. Biafra deje, no. Obia, ite. Freedom. Na utoka inario. Anya toni hip hop for baranenu. Aye bonde Biafra, bonde chuzo na aga. Obi makiro makeju na aga no. Oga de kwara ina ma. Omo Biafra, Biafra na tako. Woman mother no. Ibo mama na tako. Omo Biafra Biafra na tako. No. Mekene, Jibuna, Otogoda, Denima, Oyes, and all the world, Okwandi solo Gilinenu.
Yes, sir, we will be going to our correspondent in Andoni Studio. Reporter from Andoni Studio, can you hear me? Reporter from Andoni Studio.
I can hear you very well. Hope I'm coming out clear.
Go ahead and try and talk like a Biafran man. Go ahead, please.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Don't mind my voice. It was a result of evangelism. I'm okay. Good morning. Good afternoon, good evening, and good night to some of you. Lovers of freedom, Biafrans all over the world. My name is Sunday William Okusi. I'm from Ngo Town. Ngo Town is in Andoni. And Andoni is Biafra land. Please, I want to give news, talk to my people in my dialect. Eboblo mi frego. Eboblo mi nyegwe. Eboblo mi wulego. Eboblo mi ko. Oblongi toya ma ni numlo de nyekwebe. Ale usniki nyekwe mama. Usnene kwe mi nyizo, usnene mama bege. So fun gba kinyi ble ki zigare nko ya ge. E yangi toya ma ere kwebe. Ere nga re ne re Sunday William Okusi. Emi nga mama ngo, amango ikwe mo blo, and oblo ikwe mi zo Biafra. Inyoti ka uke numile fet ye nit musuinye mere jo Biafra es ibezo sedin gwan krale gile ko dikini danga irokwe me office ku kwe me doki sipa oya kwe motu chenko e ba gatum so itba lek nyiri af mule bin gwan kin mule bin tekini ibe ro join IPOB izo zokro kan idokizi e bobles mi nyu dun enene ebin kula ga atumu mile bin kulu ido Nigeria eki siazi eki bigi ko irie obulo mi kango o wanpo obogi suneri isbi mo bulo esimi ka brokwan esimi kra ukrombam sabok zeki sweet panga pe yikai pa sari eki zimegi bragbe ligi pa lekba so ebin gwan kra de glopo ebeki ni danga mele fe binyoti ka uke iga chibe ne gi siazi o du gizere Biafra Odu gizire bi Biafra, ikaka nego, oboni fiazi. Ika chibe nege ibi fiazi, ika igone kipini. Ile ye do bin ten tekni, me bin gang gakini, ile me kritu matiko inye. Before Nigeria me Biafra openebe. Me tumu matiko inye yibe, be atiko. Ye izo blue, ikwe izo Biafra. Izo blue, ikakwe izo Nigeria. Egbazi, ebi oblu. Ere bi Biafra. Ebi Hausa, maybe Yoruba, Igbato, Migure, Nigeria. Ire ndo nyimbo Nigeria iriro mi nekeme otu so amaki ngure kriba. Nigeria gare ibro nkpo oge motu so amaki. Egire nkpo British government. And then sabe squad in me call this year me to azmuko. 100 years amalgamation all till today keze polu kwiki buko enki beso so. Ebo blue. Ere glo kwebe. Itre gwan kini ebi ngaki iri ale nigi rojo na FPB le beka eka alexi uneri emoke ata oto nyimo disi usari exikre bragbi ligi pa lekba all in the name of cultism ministry azibe ngoge na be saruga inu na mamokini sik na hotere onu nkwa ba ebia fulani kiro na ma iki yire na ma ko na ma ire biba ife chimileki sikere nkwa ya ge Espeka oro miso yake. Ikara wasi yake kezekiri yake. Hote zimile bi gbodi ngwan kizira. Ire oro miso yake kezeka. Ezeki cherie yake. Emaki cheria wasi. Ezeki cheria wasi. Emaki chechi edu. Ezeki ichi awazima. Awazigbuna. Ikaka ebi gege cheria wasi mili nyon. Sunga mile bi ngwan kizi. Eba kwa ebo mkwa yake. Ebi basa bayasa mkwa yake. Ire sese iwa kwa mile kizinye mile bigo. Ika chibe negisi anya otu zere Biafra. Mesri Isra waziri yaguka. Ogun kulu. Miro gurira. Oguboni sazi britibi. Membre otu obuwa kechi. Ogu otitatu abezi. Ere ka ere neri na ndikalu. Krake nkpon na ndikalu tumbo otu charu ishinga. Kenki beso so. Ika igone gigbini. Ika chibe negisi anya. Ebu bomb living Kulagatumu, Equipe Magibo, Niki Buki Quirie, the Gishak Bogi, Ronkom Blue. Uno Blue Quere, Blue, you do. Otum Pachoki, Caro Blue Galekiro. Otum Pachikero, Maze of Biafra. Ubiki Ron Miquet, Ogorone, Ogoni. Otum Payage, Makiron is all blue. Ekire is Zubire, Edim Wanki, Eyanki Besoso. Otum Yigali to think, it says a crocan. Idoxi. Erura Fiao, Monabe, Esmeki Kauneri, Zedekiri, Otebin Wanki, Mekwe, Agange, and a Sumoke Moto to Kakis. Benina, Sabok Zipeki Zoe, Sariak Zipeki Brakili, Palekma, Sariak Zimbo Perior, Oden and Guani, this Spanish, the Mama, Inumi is on Wakini Wuneri. And Gary Benaglona Mama Kashi Wuneri, Moseri, Kentai Robo, and Yaki Fui Pambaki, and the Hikan Gubonte, and Yankee Beso Sebo Bled in Equede, in all joint IPO. This is a clock kang idogizi. Otakang itong mumi, a really lemo queenie, I was a cabo ruin reason. In your tick, I can give any mamma. Hosting boss has made my numerous effort in it to make on you. Mamma, you'll be quick. Marvin, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to talk to my people. You are very wonderful for your good work. I say, may God Almighty, I was already in your reason. Bless you and your family. I thank my leader, Marvin Andikalu, and all the principal leaders of IPOB for laying a good legacy to the contribution of this struggle. Thank you so much as I sign out from here in Andoni Studio. From me from here, it is still good evening.
Don Prince Victor, Iwan Mado, Anya Begun, Yafla Deje, no, Obia, Yije, Freedom, Na, Utoka Inario, Anya Tony Hip for Baranemi. I am going to be a Bunde to Naga, Obis, Makilo Maki to Nataga. Oga to Quaraina. Omo Biafra, Biafra Nasako, Woman Mother, Ibo Mother Nasako, Omo Biafra, Biafra Nasako, no, Ibo Mother Nasako, Ejime Gumekine, Tivuna. Otogoda denema, oyeze no dugolodema. Okwande solo gilinenua, akologo gilinata. Oposisi bolotolo, emese kono maswere. Okwanye manono dugo, oduro debema, okoko kunyaru. Anachua yoso, ose kwese likuni, oke chikwe no kologo ngechi. Dike kani kipu na London, dike kani kipu na Israel.
Yes, sir, we will be going to our studio in Izon province. Reporter from Izon province, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear.
Go ahead, please. Good evening, sir, from here.
Thank you. Thank you, African Reps, for bringing me in to discuss with my people. Good evening, good morning, good night, and good afternoon to all peace lovers all over the world. And my fellow Biafrans, thank you. Yes, we are Biafrans. I am a Biafran. Izon is Biafran. I am Perekse Abba. Perekse Abba is from Kurama Banai. Banai in Yenagua province, Biafra land. And permit me to go by my language, indigenous language, which is one of the Biafran languages. Izon to Onwai, Bebore Birmo, Mabo Lao. Nababore Birmo, the Abdo Benaba. Biafra Bere Pamwa. Yenagua is Zombe Muare could do not dobin. Bebore Motwakari Naba Perekse Bakari. Yaba man. Where's Zombe bolotie kan fae bolotie ni zon tebetie no bol zo tu bolotie wani kan fae andi be gberbi ne kai tin kai zonde kamen ni ae o ya kama ke kama man murmi en belefa izon to un mama tu megbe ae un wa uta ba tu ba mu un dia fruto Omen wa idea. Oro amabe mawomo government ki di megbe war me government ki koko megbe war me government wo koko yen ba. Wo zaira bo bre na kenizon to be oche tunere en committee war me ba. Wo mo sebe government ko wo mo koko megbe war me. Wa mama ko government ki koko megbe war me. But the Fulani government me unoro muno then government kuku ai government wo kokko ndia what about you wanyin government ma wanyin kamo omni wera ka government wa wanyin e wotu bakatie mo bi ekba me mana man wotu bakatie mo omna ro furu ka akmo tani me omna ro furu akmo tani wotu bakatie mo me ba wo jo wo ta ni ma se boni zama ka gbe ni izama ka ba ni Kinama korbae ni Obama ware o fin korma ware tini bo to prano ya me ngarabe pa fa ni time nene be pa ni mo sebe wo ti o chen wo kokor mi kan fa wo ti mi kan fa be o kere sin won bi fa ya mo fe ni o man wa idea para que me ko Bekamo, Pene, water to Aton, but water to Aton to Bar man. Omene, when not there, where the work for the work, God says, when I can come up, not playing me. And one person here, one person to work me back, from no me, I found a team. On what do I base of the win, I'm a billy. On what you appear when you see from a me, take man House of Representatives. What do wherever committee in Macamo won't blow for an opera? What blow for an operation of Waka Tonga team? And Ben Kirby won't blow for an opera. Never imagine, but I woke about Equermado. What below to Igbo? What to motivate you, Monarch? They flow nama government bo chen bo we bi igbo ta ka become about me bala bo me na me Germany bo ora ka no me bala be o me na se di chen aka o di me gbe yo le bula o me no wanga bo wo kala post ma pa ron da no play o school ke mi o yo mo tol me ni tol mo wa ke mi o fur ko ma ni afur ko ni Welcome on my turn or Jimmy Bay. Because one shot or I cannot be income and where I come to here. What bring me up on my door? What am I from one man, warming a Basilia? Common corner, I cannot go to a more. You know, said it here. They manage, it goes to the Mado man. One got winning the left and winning. Thomas maybe die. What come on, what's about me? Wherever I come to come on. Una corsulula we. Muna radio or cortema, but not be. Come and take me over more than we are fear now. Because they come over this word with that. Yanagua been dining. Namabalio to go Yanaguakai. Namabalio to go Yanaguaco, Yanagua Mo, one more way, what to be even done me for. They Malu Banyo to mock it. What to be a to work on my buying? What can more? There's Senator, Governor Mokpo. I'm not this more me back. Benebene won't bring for benefit, one more benefit. Their power and female. And to be a man, what we are many were buying, what governor, what to be a cheer. Because I'm not a calculation, no buy on one minute by me. but I'm been by me. Una been me the from me. Omnake or a dog better because I'm where about machine, Mr. Lemon. Nefula not of Bain Silmon the market or a woman from an become a more or a minimum. I can become a disclaimer boy. One masculine when a masculine must strike or move out Belia or Belia 2B. I'm in the left here. And I'm on do 3 or gentleman language planet of banging a bear agreement on my sign or mini. Sokotobo Caliphate of Fire sign or mini. I'm in Bene. One may bring you up on my door. You know my door, but I'm a Cocoa Bear. Una Mosso, I fear, una consul, I fear. Open Barabe, Ottoman in Bahu, Yamotan. The neighbor offering a baby zone to her. Or many, or a 9 bar. 9 come of Banakana come up here. That winning. Whatever Mutin come home, a bomb or not, or bomb what room on bear, or a liar, or Corsole, bear Kumbo Malawi, they bomanake, then you go to come up there. And Barabe will buy man. Then Bobar Mio, Aaron Dotumiteke, Arlacre. In a meaning, on double cocoa or than in me. Nana, Planet Caco prefer me. I was to me. When I was to Libya fire. I was to bring by any Yanako than me. Because what is on there? Mama.
Ojudene la pudene, pudena pulano. Mananya pulono dene nuwa. Iyo toto, I want to know something. Make you not hear me.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, reporter from Onsoka Studio. You are already. Go ahead, please.
Good evening, all dear friends, the lovers of freedom. My name is Remember Azichima Joseph Onyechukwu. I'm reporting from Enugu. Today being the 22nd day of August 2019. I was sitting outside. And the Bani, Yamani Kwe, Ebrunem Babu. I know Kwe, O Gambi, Enugu, topic of the day. No for two call Nigeria. Nehebo, Nenugu said Gabobehe. No for Yemen 191 ta. Nega. No Jerry. Bowike, what he hawk or Nemala. On the Fulani. Repure Bure to Wasne Loria, my wife me. What shall I need and where Kagway Chile, a sign of government, be Mary. Ye Kagway am no government, and almost Quamogan, my mother, what the hell you Kumakaya. A better walk, a better wine, the way they keep mine, rolling baby, and I can him time I wish a caranya. Yeah, my onion do a mazin and the canoe, the chief place in 2012. James Penta. Also, the Nana boy had a million local be in the Messi. Oh, what it can wine, and wine, and a Kuru Biafra, also have Godianeku, and a Kubiafra, Chamogada, the medical amnesty about Daranta. In Mamia came a Chile. Ngarabuana Medicino, Dicon Tetenora. Macana Fulani, and Tanaha, Anabunu, the Zoom radio, the information, which information yet final. And the Fulani veteran walk good issue. Now look at Biafra land, and I'm near Kum today. And a dispatch and Beda Gaga, and you can say, Muna be my week her son, what Shabama and we were the kiss, Nin the chair, Moya and Yakamanaga. All alone was Shagama media. Make a quality goto. I am with the Lugu City. My weekend has son, and Mariana Komakaya. the so-called Nawodo, Nelugu State Bible Oshi. You get for a mother, just name an ordinary deliverance, or the main part, Nelugu State Merawoshi. Makanema Missy Joy, Makanisi Nachayoko, Makanamisi Jiro, you know, or Gama Yoko Sirikaneme. But Yamere or acquire deliverance, Mavisi Joy. Walk a wine, if I know Guboleke, I had to say Mom. And the Fulani, Kadia, and the buying of High Senior Hala. May I put to my elbow and where he came in. Of Haganafu, what do you have a member of my age? But now what people say, I have Balire. Open actually, Gusuman Agenta, a Guruman Agentina, Mantoma Balire, moving up for her. Mufodi money, Jerry Jacob with them. That's all my own Japoma and a haircut on Bobo. Or if not, let the use of an Indian get a med need for. I don't know what I can open the use to Nika, was by Toto. Bali Yemen, I want to wine. I can again and I'm never going to queen a Santana. No sock I am. More work you could say. But I close on you, I must not be candy. Yabo, my weekend sense, Kamado. Can we get